This 2022 Thor Tiburon Sprinter 24 TT is for sale today at Beckley's RVs. Starting inside, the first thing you'll see is your booth-style dinette, which can be converted into a bed. Across from this, your kitchen includes a sink with a detachable faucet head, a pop-up power station, a 2-burner gas cooktop, a convection microwave, and a fridge. Continuing to the back of the coach, you'll find the 60 by 75 inch flip-up queen bed with a flat screen TV and a small control panel for your lights and generator controls at the foot. There's a 36 by 75 inch sleeping area in the front of the coach. Next to this is a flat screen TV, a touchscreen control panel, and a multimedia head unit. Your coach is built on the Mercedes Sprinter chassis. It is a 3.0-liter V6 engine with 188 horsepower. Returning outside, there's loads of storage behind the hatch doors along the sides. Also make note of the location of your power hookup. Your coach is equipped with a rear backup camera. For more information on this unit, visit our website, links in the description, or shoot us a call and visit us today. We'd love to be your RV dealer. Welcome to the family.